తలనొప్పి, నరాల బలహీనత, మూర్ఛ వ్యాధి, పక్షవాతం, బ్రెయిన్ స్ట్రోక్, బ్రెయిన్ ట్యూమర్స్, మెడ, వెన్నెముక సమస్యలు, పక్షవాత సమస్యలకు పరిపూర్ణ వైద్యం. మన దేశంలో ఎక్కడా లేని ఆపరేషన్ థియేటర్, అమెరికాలో జరిగే వైద్యం ఇప్పుడు గుంటూరులో. చిన్న కోత ఆపరేషన్ల ద్వారా కేవలం 2 రోజుల్లోనే డిశ్చార్జ్. డాక్టర్ రావ్స్ న్యూరో హాస్పిటల్, గుంటూరు. సంప్రదించండి 9010056444, 9010057444.
Neurosurgery myths versus facts. Debunking common misconceptions. Neurosurgery is a complex and specialized field of medicine that deals with diagnosing and treating disorders of the brain, spine, and nervous system. As such, it is a field that is often surrounded by myths and misconceptions. In this blog post, we will debunk some of the most common myths about neurosurgery. We will also discuss the importance of seeking care from a qualified neurosurgeon if you are experiencing any neurological problems. Myth number 1. Neurosurgeons only work on the brain. This is a common misconception. While it is true that neurosurgeons work on the brain, they also work on the spine and spinal cord. More than 70% of neurosurgical procedures treat spine and spinal cord health conditions. Myth number 2. Neurosurgeons only perform surgery. Another common misconception is that neurosurgeons only perform surgery. While surgery is a standard treatment option in neurosurgery, it is not the only option. Neurosurgeons can also diagnose and treat neurological problems with methods other than surgery, such as medication, physical therapy, and injections. Myth number 3. You should only go to a neurosurgeon as a last resort. This is also a misconception. Neurosurgeons are highly trained specialists who can provide expert care for various neurological conditions. If you are experiencing any neurological problems, seeing a neurosurgeon as soon as possible is essential to get an accurate diagnosis and treatment plan. Myth number 4. You must travel to a big city to find a qualified neurosurgeon. This is not necessarily true. There are many qualified neurosurgeons practicing in smaller cities and towns. With technological advances, it is also possible to receive care remotely from a qualified neurosurgeon. Myth number 5. Neurosurgery is always risky. While surgery carries some risks, neurosurgery is not always as risky as people think. With advances in technology and surgical techniques, the risks of neurosurgery have decreased significantly. However, discussing the risks and benefits of surgery with your neurosurgeon before deciding is essential. Conclusion. There are many myths and misconceptions about neurosurgery. It is essential to be informed about these myths to make informed decisions about your care. If you are experiencing any neurological problems, it is vital to see a qualified neurosurgeon to get an accurate diagnosis and treatment plan. Dr. Rao is a highly skilled and experienced neurosurgeon who is dedicated to providing his patients with the best possible care. He is the founder of Dr. Rao's Hospital, which is one of the best neurosurgery hospitals in Guntur and India. If you are looking for a qualified neurosurgeon in Guntur, please call 9010056444 or visit https://drraoshospitals.com.